You don't like making body scrubs at home because they never come out like store-bought body scrubs that you buy. I will show you how to make a DIY body scrub that feels and works better than store-bought products. I will also tell you how to customize the body scrub to get different results for your skin. So the exact recipe that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is for people looking for anti-aging benefits. You need body scrub to heal your stretch marks. You need body scrubs to clear body acne without bleaching. You need body scrub that is moisturizing and a body scrub that you can use during pregnancy. You just want to incorporate organic, natural things into your routine. Then this exact formula that I used here, you can duplicate it. But if you're looking for brightening, lightening, as I said, I'm also going to be giving you tips on how to achieve that. So the very first ingredient I'm adding to my sugar, of course, the first ingredient for your body scrub is sugar. Okay, not salt, really. People don't really use salt for home scrubs, is sugar. Now, the first ingredient I added was neem powder. I used 1 tablespoon. Now, neem has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps to clear up acne. It suits the skin also. Now, the second powder I use is moringa powder. I use 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Now, moringa is a powerhouse. It has a heavy heating hydration. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And also it has antioxidant properties. It helps to boost collagen. It reduces fine lines. And it also helps to restore the skin's natural barrier. Like moringa, its benefits cannot be overstated, right? Now, the next thing I added was aloe vera powder. Now, aloe vera powder is soothing, it reduces pigmentation, it stimulates collagen, like it just has anti-aging benefits. It's so good for the skin. Now, the next thing I'm adding here is turmeric. I used 1/2 tablespoon. Remember, turmeric can color, but this my exact formula here with exact measurements did not stain my bath. Okay, everything rinsed out very well. Turmeric, you already know, it helps to clear hyperpigmentation. It helps to clear spots. It's anti-inflammatory. It's just very good. So here I'm just going ahead to mix all my dry ingredients. Now, for those of you watching and you want to make brightening or lightening body scrubs, you're not interested in healing, you're not interested in organic or anything, all you need for this first section is just your sugar and your honey. You don't have business with moringa. You don't have business with neem powder. Do you understand? If you're looking towards brightening and lightening and you're not going towards the organic way, I'm going to be telling you things to add as we go further for people that want to lighten or brighten up their skin. So what I'm just doing here basically is to mix everything together. You understand? So make sure you mix your dry ingredients very well, because if you go ahead and add your wet ingredients here, you might not, like, everything will not mix together. And because it's in a tight container, you might have issues turning it. So turn your dry ingredients and make sure that it mixes very well. Now, the next ingredients I'm going to go ahead to add is my honey. Now, honey gives deep hydration. It helps to prevent acne. It is soothing. It has healing properties, and it is also a gentle exfoliator. Like, honey smoothens the skin. It's so good for the skin. So I added a couple of spoons, See, a lot of people, when they make home scrubs, they are scared of using honey, because sometimes when you add honey into your body scrub, when you are done showering, go back to your bathroom, you are going to see ants everywhere. And that is because you don't add the necessary things you are supposed to add. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you everything I added that made the sweetness of the honey and both the sugar to go down. So I added 3 spoons finally, and here I'm adding my body oil. So this is where people that are interested in lightening and brightening come in. The choice of oil you want to use here should be different from what I used. Here I'm using Skin Point's vitamin C and turmeric oil. But for you that want to lighten and brighten, you see that your bleaching oil, you see that your super whitening oil, you see that your glutathione oil, that oil that you cannot just carry and put on your skin. This is how you can incorporate it into your skin and get the best results. Instead of, struggling to use it, you use it, is reacting, use it to, no, add it into your body scrub. Okay, add it into your body scrub and it's not going to give you any reaction because number one, you are rinsing it out. Number two, you are exfoliating. So even if the product has not been penetrating into your skin, better to give you a good result. When you add it into your body scrub, do you understand? As you are scrubbing, it's taking that opportunity to penetrate into your skin. Okay, that is the secret to all these organic whitening scrubs that you buy, and it is so good. Now, the very next thing you are going to need to add is a body shower gel. Now, if you don't have a shower gel, you can use your bar soap. How do you use it? You get your bar soap and you get your grater, grate it. Grate your bar soap, and this is where I have another tip for you if you're interested in whitening and lightening. You see that your Kojic soap, okay, that your Kojic soap, grate it and add it into your body scrub. A lot of times, the reason why the product you are using is not working for you is because it is not penetrating into your skin. But imagine where your body scrub has your Kojic soap or your active lightening soap, has your oil and all of those things, and has, other things. So as you are scrubbing, your pores are opening up and the products are penetrating. So the next thing I'm adding here is Nivea body lotion. See, all of these things is what is going to give you that very good consistency. So here again, if you are going for whitening, lightening, your choice of body cream should change. Use your lightening body lotion here. Use your brightening body lotion here. Do you understand? So it will automatically change this regular sugar scrub you are doing in your kitchen. It is going to automatically change it into a super whitening body scrub, a super brightening body scrub. So are you seeing the consistency now? So this is different from the regular videos you see. Put sugar, put coffee, put turmeric and just add honey. If you do that, you're not going to be getting maximum results. Yes, it is going to exfoliate your skin, but that's where it ends. So this one now is double promotion. This is double favor. This is double work. It is exfoliating your skin and it is also giving you other benefits to your skin. So let's say you went for the lightening part. You are exfoliating your skin and you are also introducing lightening ingredients to your skin. So if you're someone that has like dark knees, dark elbows, dark bum, dark thighs, use all your lightening, brightening ingredients. Use it and make a scrub and use it to be scrubbing that place. Trust me, it is going to work better than any body scrub you are going to buy. Just make sure you add a body lotion inside. You either use your bar soap, grate it and add inside, or you use your shower gel to get this perfect consistency, that is going to glide on your skin. And when you are done scrubbing your body and pour water, it is just going to rinse off. It's just going to rinse off very, very easily. Can you see that texture? Like, look at the texture. So personally, when I'm done making my body scrubs, I like to leave it overnight, depending on when I did it. So I like to leave it overnight for it to rest. Okay, so what I'm just doing here is just a demo. I didn't use this body scrub immediately after I use it, because if you use it now, the sugar still has it still has teeth, right? It's still a bit harsh on the skin. But if you leave it overnight, it's going to rest and it's going to become softer on the skin. Trust me, this my exact recipe is just like a soothing, organic, natural body mask stroke scrub. Honestly, it is so good. It's not lightening up and brightening, but it is super, super moisturizing. And with my homemade scrubs, I can use it every day because I'm sure of the ingredients inside of it. There is no chemical, there is no preservative aside from the soap and all of those things, but they're just minimal. So I can use it every day without getting irritation. That is why I love to make my body scrubs at home. Sometimes, so when I have strength, when I have the strength to do it, it is so good. It's totally different from the ones you buy from the store. Okay, so if you have any questions, you have any concerns, you can let me know in the comment section. If you want to ask maybe the lotions you can use, the lightening or whitening oils you can use, you can let me know in the comment section. I can point you to the video to select the products to use to make these body scrubs from. Or if you have any, you can also let me know in the comment section. So this is very simple and very, very effective. It's so moisturizing. You can see it is not drying to the skin. So I have told you who should be using this my exact formula. But if you know you don't fall into that category, then you can use the tips I shared with you in today's video to actually make your brightening or whitening or brightening body scrub at home. Okay.